I think some big things are happening behind closed doors. And I think some big things are happening right in front of our faces when it comes to cryptocurrency. And people tend to ignore these things pretty frequently. When I see any type of news that could lead to something a lot bigger, we may not see the price reaction, but I feel as though it's little bits and pieces that people are not understanding that we're completing this puzzle, right? So if you have a CRO, a Kronos, and crypto.com, the parent company, and you have these pieces that are being put in place, you're going to see a larger outcome in the end because of the picture that it's actually being painted or the image that's being worked on. So I want to talk about CRO. I want to talk about how this could be a sneaky run. We could see CRO sneak up on anybody that's looking for gains. And then people are like, where did that come from? We've seen it before in a very brief moment, but with the overall market going the way that it went, CRO went back down to levels that maybe it's buy territory for a lot of people. So, sorry. Before we get started, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I think I have a link for CRO down below. If you guys want to get signed up with my link, feel free to do so. Or, for crypto.com down below. So if you want to get signed up using my link, feel free to check that out. Also, I have a link for BTCC, which is another exchange platform that offers you the ability to trade up to a 500x leverage, minimum of trading outright or 2x leverage. You can also demo trade. And today is the last day for the giveaway that they have going on. If you sign up, deposit, and trade by the end of today, you will be entered to win that giveaway. It's 375 USDT for two different winners, meaning that it's a total of $750 overall. So feel free to get your name in the hat. All you have to do, again, is sign up, deposit, and trade, and you'll be entered in. But the different news that's out there, different things that are happening, it's not just like, oh, cryptocurrency is doing this, right? It's individual cryptocurrencies or parent companies that are doing bigger things and, partnering with governments and partnering with institutions and seeing institutional interest and all of that stuff. CRO is no exception, right? CRO is one of those plays that is involved in a lot of things and sometimes things that you may not have oversight to. So Kronos currently sits at about a 7 cent price, which I feel like is a huge buy territory. I'll tell you, my price, my cost basis for most of it is around the 11 to 12 cent mark. For my shorter term CRO, it's sitting around the 10 cent mark. But either way, it's a lot higher than where it is right now. So with that being said, right, why do I believe in this so much and why do I see it going so much further? Well, first, we're currently sitting at a $3 billion market cap. The highest point that we've seen this at market cap wise was a $22 billion market cap. I think it's going to go further than that based on a lot of the things that are being developed and being worked on and being talked about and in the news and all of that. We're seeing $7.7 million worth of volume with 42 billion coins in circulating supply. Now, with that increased supply, that's where a lot of people tend to get stuck because you have 98.5 billion coins in total supply. For circulating supply, you have 42. So that means you have some dilution, a good amount of dilution compared to where we were, let's say, in the bear market before they decided to add the coins to the overall supply, the max supply, and vote on that and get that approved and everything there. That's where some people worry because you're like, what's the likelihood of this getting to a 100 or let's say $42 billion market cap versus the $22 billion market cap? And it's highly likely with the things that are going on. So just to kind of call some things out, um, as of late March 2026, Kronos has navigated significant regulatory milestones and corporate shifts, including securing conditional U.S. approval for a national trust bank charter and implementing 12% staff reduction to focus on AI integration. Um, CRO token has shown resilience with a recent news covering potential ETF inclusions and expanded crypto payment partnership in South Korea. So regulatory milestone. I feel like for me, this is kind of the biggest piece when you have clarity, when you have kind of a part in the world. Like if you are, let's say you're in a movie and you have a part in that movie. It depends on if that part is a speaking role, if that part is a main character, or if that part is somebody behind the scenes and you're just, eating food in a coffee shop while everybody else is actually, talking and having their lines, right? That's the way that I look at this, right? You have cryptocurrencies that are in the background, cryptocurrencies that are working on things, cryptocurrencies that are the main subject and main topic of conversation, and ones that, um, will be a bigger part of the new world that is created, right? I'm not saying that we're going to have a new Earth, like it's going to be Earth 2.0, but I'm saying the new way of accepting, payment and just involving cryptocurrency in our monetary system. And I think CRO is going to be one of those, right? Crypto.com received conditional approval for a national trust bank charter from the OCC, aligning with Ripple in gaining federal oversight. I feel like that's kind of the first big step, having that federal oversight. And obviously, you can look worldwide and see what's happening there, but that is one huge step. And, aligning with Ripple in that step, how much of a fan I am of Ripple and XRP. So, yeah. Crypto.com announces 12% staff reduction as of March 20th, 2026. Not because of them going, oh, we need to cut costs or anything like that, which is always great for a business. Obviously, that's something you always want to do, but it's more of a pivot towards AI driven operational efficiency. Now, can that be done? We will see. The only way to actually see that out is to try. You have strategic partnerships. You have ETF activity as well. The potential inclusion of a CRO in new crypto staking ETFs, which I feel like is a big selling point, being able to have that, staking ETFs. But more importantly, right, if you have things like CRO that's being involved in these federal conversations, that's being involved in, the AI efficiency. Sorry, my voice is giving out. And also having partnerships, ETF activity, and not to mention CRO itself and the movement there and the community there as well. I feel like this could be sneaky. That CRO can sneak up on you. The gains can happen out of nowhere. We saw it happen very, very quickly when I can't remember exactly the date, but CRO went up to like a 30 cent price point and, breaking levels that it hasn't been at for a very, very long time. And that was just a brief moment. Now, while everything has come back, CRO has also come back. But who's to say that this sneaky activity won't happen again? I want to know what you guys think about CRO. Do you hold any? Do you believe in it? Or are you done with it with the fact that it came back down to 7 cents or sub 7 cents? Have you bought more at sub 7 cents? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.